Hello everyone, myself Namrata Satpathy from Bangalore, and today I am here to share feedback regarding Mokshpat board which I learned from Sunaina Agrawal. So I want to learn Mokshpat board, Mokshpat divination tool, because I came to know that this Mokshpat is originated, born and brought up in India, and it is developed by our Indian sages. The game which we know as Snakes and Ladders, is actually taken from this Mokshpat. So, what is Mokshpat and all? My teacher is the best one to guide you all. So, what made me attracted towards this board? First, its origin. Second, all the boxes will show you the way how your soul is carrying the karma and how you are paying it, and what made you realize your awareness, your knowledge, what are not so good deeds which you done, or what are your lessons which you still have to practice. All these information made me attracted towards Mokshpat learning. And the way Sunaina teaches, that is so outstanding, so amazing. She is the person who understands material world as well as spiritual world very well. So she makes it very easy for anyone, even a layman, or even I feel the small child can understand the way she explains. That is so outstanding. And I do refer Sunaina Agrawal to each and every one, those whoever is interested in learning Mokshpat divination tool. I highly recommend to go and learn through Sunaina Agrawal. She is one of the best teachers. She is having loads of patience. She will guide you in each and everything wherever you got stuck. Yes, practice is the key, which I still have to do because I am also new into it and a learner. The best part about Mokshpatta is it's not only about boxes, whatever the meaning she told and the way she told. So, yes, the informations are there. Yes, knowledge is there through Veda's perspective and all. But there is something different in what she taught us, and that is how to read horoscope through Mokshpat way, which is really a fun part. Even we can track our soul journey, like from where we started and where we are right now, and where we may head if we continue doing the same things. So yes, there is loads and loads and loads of information. I highly recommend Sunaina Agrawal to please go and eat her head. She is outstanding. Bye. Create a great day.